Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to this OP update, optimism update for Thursday, 4th of August. And we're looking at OP making its move to the upside, and we're really enjoying what's happening. And now, yesterday, we actually did make our entries down here at nearly these levels down here, and we actually sold up here at the 1.97. So that was a nice, a good, decent amount of profits that we took out from this trade in our signal group, like 25% move to the upside. Now, the question in everybody's mind is what's going on with OP and what are we going to do? Now, previously there was a video that I uploaded on the channel and I talked about OP. If it does this thing, then you're going to look for OP to go for a 200% move to 4.312. And yes, that's a technical target that is in play now. Unless you don't really come down to 1.364, then that technical target actually gets destroyed. So you never want to come down to 1.372, and that's a technical target because of this saucer bottom. Okay, so all you did is you made the saucer bottom right like that, you broke to the upside, and now you're coming up to $4.3. That's simple. That's pretty much the technical target we were talking about right now. Okay, so in the short term, before we move there, because you are going to go in a wavy journey, you can already see what do we mean by wavy journey is that you make the move to the upside, come down, move to the upside, come down, move to the upside, go down again, move to the upside, again retrace, again move, again retrace. So it's going to be wavy. It is going to be wavy. And I want to talk about the story of three white soldiers. This particular chart pattern has made three white soldiers in every single direction and dimension. So the first three white soldier that you see is right over there. The second one right over here. Now the irony is that with every single three white soldier, you made the correction and then move up. After the three white soldier made the correction and then move up, another three white soldier, the correction. Today, though, you might end up actually going a little bit up again, make the three white soldier, and then the weekend start to correct. And then you move up, and then you correct, and then you move up, and then you correct. So it's going to be a little bit of a pull, push, back and forth. Three white soldiers, pull to the downside, corrections to the downside, and move up. But on a nutshell, very, very simple thing that I want to say is that you've already crossed the golden ratio, okay? So this is 0.618. You've crossed this level, put a tick here. At least you're now looking for 1.618, which is $2.472. That's why you might end up having that three white soldiers again here until you don't come down for the correction and then you move higher a little bit. And that's it for this quick update on OP, guys. This is just a technical target that is still pending to come up here to that blue line, 4.3. Let's see. Everything should go okay unless you don't come down to 1.365. Everything goes wasted and everything is gonna go to just to waste, and you can even say that there's a bull flag here potentially that you just made, right? So if you just make this element here of a bull flag right there, you've broken it out and you are still looking to go where? So from there to there, we might be looking to actually go up to this particular price target. Actually, it's again 4.3. So you have the saucer taking you to 4.3, you have the bull flag taking you to 4.3. It's eventually going to reach there just slowly. I just don't know how, but we hope it does get there. How it's going to get there is none of my damn business, but it just have to get there. I need my clients to be happy. Anyway, that's it for today's update, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.